Have you ever wondered where to invest your money for the best returns? The stock market has always been a gateway to financial success, but knowing the right stocks to buy is the real challenge. In this video, we will uncover the best stocks to invest in right now, analyze market trends, and give you a roadmap to building long-term wealth. Stay till the end because this guide might change your financial future forever. Understanding the current stock market trends. The stock market is constantly evolving, and 2025 is no exception. With rising interest rates, technological innovations, and economic shifts, it's crucial to understand the trends before making investment decisions. The S&P 500 has been showing resilience, while tech stocks continue to dominate. But is this the right time to invest? Top stocks to watch right now. Tesla. The future of EV market. Tesla remains a leader in the EV industry, with new innovations in battery technology and AI-driven autonomous driving. Analysts predict a strong growth trajectory, making it a great long-term investment. Nvidia, the AI powerhouse. With artificial intelligence booming, Nvidia's GPUs are more in demand than ever. With partnerships in AI, gaming, and cloud computing, this stock is a high-growth opportunity. Apple, stability and innovation. Apple's ecosystem continues to grow, and its expansion into augmented reality and fintech sectors makes it a safe yet promising investment for 2025. Microsoft, cloud and AI dominance. With its aggressive push into AI and cloud services, Microsoft is one of the safest bets for investors looking for steady returns and long-term security. Amazon, the e-commerce giant. Despite market fluctuations, Amazon's stronghold in e-commerce and cloud computing makes it an attractive stock with long-term potential. How to identify winning stocks. Investing isn't just about picking popular names. Here's a simple formula to find winning stocks: revenue growth, consistent year-over-year growth, profit margins. Companies with strong profitability tend to perform well. Market positioning, competitive advantage in their industry, future potential. Industries like AI, renewable energy, and cloud computing are on the rise. Risk management in stock investments. The stock market isn't always smooth sailing. Here's how to manage risks effectively. Diversification. Never put all your money into one stock. Stop loss strategy. Set a limit where you will exit a stock to avoid heavy losses. Long-term vision. Short-term volatility shouldn't scare you away from fundamentally strong stocks. The best investment strategy for 2025. The best strategy for 2025 is a mix of growth stocks, companies like Nvidia and Tesla with high potential, dividend stocks, stable companies like Johnson & Johnson that provide regular income, ETFs, low-risk investments that diversify your portfolio effortlessly.